Welcome. In the previous tutorial, we looked at how to sort numbers within an array, and in this case I want us to change our focus a bit and now look at how to sort an array consisting of strings. So in this case, maybe we can have different fruits within this array. We can have pow. We can as well have an orange, and we can as well have a mango. So let's sort this array consisting of strings and see what it will give to us. The sort method is the one that is simply the same as we used in the previous case. Now, if you look at what we have sorted the array in an ascending or in an alphabetical manner. That is, we are now sorting this array in an alphabetical manner. If you were to add maybe a bin and save the changes, then you can see that the sort method is working fine. In this case, we have sorted the names, the list of names in this case in an alphabetical manner. But in some cases, you may want to sort the names based on their length, maybe starting from the shortest string to the longest one. In that case, we would have a callback within the sort method. In this case, we would have, let's use the arrow function. So we would use A and B, and you would want to return A dot length minus B dot length. So that is, then save the changes. Now we have the bin. The bin has four letters. Yes. The mango has 5. The apples has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pow has a 6 as well. But you notice that they are arranged in an alphabetical manner. So that means even if the apples and pow have 6 letters, they are arranged in an alphabetical manner. So this is how you sort strings in an array. To test that our sort method is working, we can add another string here, maybe like elephant, and save the changes. Then we can as well maybe add a single element, or maybe a Z in that case. Now you can see that we are able to sort the strings within this array based on their length. That is, we are starting with the array with the shortest length to the array with the longest length. So if you want to interchange this if you want to start with this string with the longest string, then you can simply interchange the A's and B's. In this case, we interchange the B's and A and save the changes. Now we have this output. That is how you interchange when you want to change them from the longest string to the shortest one. So those are some of the methods that you apply when you want to sort elements within an array. And I think I forgot to indicate something in the previous tutorial concerning the numbers, and for that reason I would want us to just recap what we did with the numbers. Sort the numbers, maybe in this case we do not need the length, we need the numbers themselves. So a minus b, as we indicated earlier on. There's something I want us to see in this case. In this case, we have demonstrated how to sort the numbers in an ascending orders, but I would want us to show how we can sort them even in a descending order. So like we have done with the strings, we simply need to interchange this number a and b's, simply to start with the highest value to the lowest one. So save the changes, and this is how you arrange them, or you sort them in a descending order. So please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be covering more of the methods that we can apply to the array method. I want, in this tutorial and in this channel specifically, I want to be a better in-depth, in an intentional manner, to cover most of the issues concerning JavaScript that other channels out there have not covered. So for that reason, please consider liking the video. Please also consider subscribing to the channel, and even leaving a comment in the comment section below, so that I can understand the areas that I have not covered that you feel that I need to cover in this channel. So thank you once again, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.